Flight 9, carrying 29 Starlink satellites to orbit. The vehicle is pitching downrange. Stage 1 has landed successfully on the drone ship. What an incredible view.
Second stage nominal.
Deployment confirmed. Another 29 Starlink satellites are on their way to orbit.
Many people ask us how to navigate in space while in orbit and not get lost among the modules. Compass. When you get lost, the compass is our everything, only it's not working yet. Okay, I'll try to navigate by the needles.
You're wondering how to reheat food in orbit? It's easy. Just like everyone else, we heat our food in the microwave. It's ready. Great. Looks like I'm going to have a delicious lunch today.
Alright, Houston, the camera is filming fine. Now we're going to do a jump. I want to set a record for the longest jump on the moon.
There are things you could look at forever. Water, fire, and earth in open space. It's incredibly beautiful.